So let's see here. Do we have on collision enter? Why is it so blurry? My eyes. It's fine. I can. Is it fine? Wait, why does it look so blurry compared to the actual source? The heck? Wait, let me try again. Oh, okay, I see. Try this, there we go. I see. On collision, something something. It's called. So you don't have to put it in anything, you don't just call it. It's part of the physics cycle. But it seems kind of weird that, like, you have to define it. Because, do I have to call it this? Like, on collision. I don't know, let's make something up. Oh, you specifically have to use on collision enter 2G. Wow. Let me copy this for a second. Why did I not get suggested it when I was writing, like, on this is different than when you use like a normal method and it gets suggested to you. Yeah, I don't know why they go for this setup. Or we're just like having it as a method. But maybe it's because they're calling it. Or they, because it's part of their pipeline or whatever, they want this called at like a very specific time. And they don't want the user to have the ability to determine where it goes, like whether it's an update or start. Like they want, because it's like a huge part of the game engine, I guess. And maybe there could be like a lot of bugs if users were to put it wherever they want. So they force it to go into the pipeline in this specific part. Oh, I mean, I tried editing it to, in the editor, but yeah, I wasn't showing it. To see if I would get like an auto suggestion for that method, but I don't, because you have to like make it yourself. Now, since I'm still up, I'm gonna go heat up some ramen, but I'm not going anywhere. I was gonna mute, but actually I just realized you're the only one here on Sweep, so I don't really care. it won't be awkward.
And underscore sweep says LOL all good.
No, I'm just gonna like go cook it, you know, while and you know, I'm not gonna leave yet. I'm only gonna leave when I'm like ready to go to sleep. So, which is not right now. I would have went to sleep if you didn't come into the stream. I think I would have went to sleep, but then I saw you show up, and then it's like I'm always happy to see you. So then I wasn't as tired all of a sudden, which is good. Yay! Thank you. It is good, but so is learning things.
And
too.
underscore sweep says sleep is good for you.
If anything, I have a tendency to oversleep. So, rather than undersleep, I guess. Or at least I once did. Okay. What is... Plus I have to, this is a really good thing. I have to get through all this ramen as fast as possible because it can't come with me, so I have to eat it all in like a month or whatever. And I kind of have a lot of packages of this because it's cheap. I'm like a perpetual college student. Where is my thing? Have you ever wanted to make games on Sweep? Do you like games?
N underscore sweep says I love games.
Yes!
I love them so much I have to try not to play them.
I see. So you've definitely had plenty of days where you were like, damn it, I got nothing done because I just played games. I've had plenty of those. That's what made me want to make games. Like realizing like, where is my life going when I'm just spending so much time playing games? Like, wouldn't it be more productive if I actually like tried making them? Since it's probably easier to get paid to make them than it is to get paid playing them. Though the people who get paid to play them are...
N underscore sweep says lucky. As far as programming and stuff, I'm not that interested in graphical anything.
I see. Yeah. I'm kind of interested in like everything that's related to programming, but definitely the graphic stuff is... I don't know. It's like... The heavily math-based stuff when it comes to programming is forever going to be my greatest weakness. And that is where graphics lies, in that like super mathy domain. So that would be very hard. But it's interesting, but it's just, yeah. I think once I do start cooking the ramen, I think I will go and try some Python on exorcism, because it's been a while. I think that sounds fun. Switch it up. And also I get to see how much Python I forgot. And I hope I still remember the difference between
N underscore
sorry,
sweep says I like the
dictionary
mechanical aspect of
and a
back-end
list
stuff.
and a tuple. Ah, the machinery and automating things. Wait, when you say machinery, do you mean like hardware and mechanical stuff? Or do you just mean like coding like the logic to like have it do stuff? Also, I'm gonna go grab some eggs to like cook with the ramen. Oh, backend.
N underscore sweep says not like back-end code, stuff under the hood.
Oh, I think I know what you mean now. Now, I thought you meant like physics engines, like physics in games, but you meant like graphical design, like UX and like front end. Yeah, I hate that. That part's really boring. That's my least favorite part. I like all computery things, but it's really boring web design. Oh, that's what would interest you.
N
Okay.
underscore sweep says I mean that's what would interest me if I did games.
Oh, you mean sorry, no, you mean back end code stuff under that. Yeah, I think that's super interesting. I also really like. Well, my favorite part is probably gameplay design. Like the whole, what makes a game fun? What experiences do people really are they really looking for when they play a game? That stuff is so
N
interesting.
underscore sweep says physics engines and whatnot.
Yeah, physics are cool. Automation database stuff.
N underscore sweep says but I do data work.
And I heard
a lot of automation and database stuff.
You can tell me what you think about this, but I heard like data positions, even though, you know, like any internet ad, like all over the place, they're like, you know, get a data degree, become a data scientist in like a year, and like it's flooded with that. But I heard that actual like data positions are some of the hardest to get. Like they're very difficult. There's a huge amount of competition in them, but I mean they do like pay really well, but it's like it's significantly more difficult than like just many other programming positions are to actually be able to land. Even people who have like college degrees sometimes like struggle to get one. Unlike what all those like ads like to say, like, you know, just get a degree and get a certificate, become a data scientist. Oh my god!
N underscore sweep says so I got in with a 3-month boot camp, but I also had like 6 years of hobbyist Python really under my belt at that point.
2021. Ah, okay. And we're already in. Well, actually not too far ahead. 2024. But wow, how did you feel about your boot camp? Did you like it? The one you picked? Because there's like so many to choose from. Was it one of the ones that gives you like a lot of like career help or guarantees and stuff? Aww.
N underscore sweep says I liked it. They unfortunately shut down their DS branch and only do Sway now.
Oh hell yeah. I think those ones are the most valuable. And I also really like the idea of those boot camps that like you don't pay them until you get work, and then you like pay them a portion of your salary. I don't know, I like that idea of splitting for however long rather than paying up front. But I can totally see why people wouldn't like that also. I guess it just depends on like what resources people already have access to.
N underscore sweep says yeah they offered that, though I had some savings and paid up front.
Was it really the one they offered? Was it really like no strings attached, like pay nothing until if you did take that one, or was there still like a small like down payment that you make and then you split, like give a percentage of your income? Because you know sometimes people say something's free, but then it's actually like not really free. Whoa. I like that. That's cool.
N underscore sweep says no, you could start up for 0.
So cool. Well, that will be okay. Maybe that's one of the options I should look into in the future. Now I have more options. That's so cool. By the way, what does DS and SWE stand for? Also, I never got my eggs. I'm getting my eggs real quick. I'll come back and look at the chat.
N_sweep says DS equals data science, SWE equals software engineering.
I'm back. Let's see. Data science. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I think you might have said that to me in the past too. That just sounds really familiar. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I asked that question. I asked it to you, didn't I remember asking it now. It's coming back to me. And you know how I remember I asked this? I remember it because I thought to myself.
N_sweep says LOL, that's okay. Yeah. Laughing face.
I thought to myself at the time, wow, I can't believe I'm so dumb, because I thought DS was like Nintendo DS. That's what I thought to myself at that time. So now I know I asked. SWE software engineer. Oh, of course. Let's see. Well, that's not too bad that they stopped the DS, because I would actually go for the software engineering, I think. That's what I'd be more interested in. What was their... I'm curious if you're okay with sharing it. What was their name? Because it seems really... I don't know. I might look into it. Maybe in the future. And plus, since you had a good experience, yeah, with the company or whoever.
N_sweep says my boot camp.
I'll always trust the experiences of actual people I've met over any advertisements any day. Galvanize. They sound like...
N_sweep says galvanizing.
They sound like a steel manufacturing company. Cool. Thank you. They do, though.
N_sweep says LUL.
Where's the lid to my thing?
N_sweep says I worked in a steel manufacturing warehouse before I did this LUL.
No way! That must have been kind of awkward. You're like, oh, my program's name is Galvanize. Hey, or it could have been Fate. Oh wait, miserable. Okay, well never mind. Stereo manufacturing. What are the odds? Huh. Was it dangerous? I guess it really depends on what jobs people are doing. But I don't know. It sounds scary, the idea of working around big machinery and hot metals or chemicals and stuff. I feel like I'd be uncomfortable if I had to get close to like dangerous equipment. Because I'm dumb, like, and I'm stupid. I probably would end up blowing up the factory or killing myself and other people just somehow. I would follow all the protocol and I'd still F up.
More dangerous than it should have been.
Okay. It's good if it wasn't more dangerous. Oh, but yeah. But yeah, I have a lot of respect for people that work in like dangerous industries and things.
N_sweep says I made stone countertops for a little while.
Yacht flooring?
I made yacht flooring for a little while.
Forklifts. Oh my gosh. Wow. Stone countertops. Oh, you said guitars. Did you make them or just sell them?
Most of my 20s I sold guitars though.
That's dangerous. Well, I'm glad you're over here doing data science now, so now I don't have to worry about you just one day never showing up to my streams and I'm like, oh my god, is N_sweep alive? So,
N_sweep says nah, just worked in a music store.
Oh my god, I saw this meme. Okay, tell me what you think about this, N_sweep. But I saw this meme about like what it's like to work in a music store, and it was just like, maybe I can find it and just show it because I feel like it'd be better if you see it. My explanation is going to be really poor, but you can tell me if you think it's funny, if you think it's accurate. But when I saw the video, I will say I was like, I don't think that's a good job for me. See if I can find it. I think it might be this one, but it's really like
N_sweep says whatever it is, it's probably true. LUL.
Was it this one? Let's see. Let me see. Oh my god. Is it this? Whatever it is probably true. I think it was this video. Just, I can grab the link and post it into Twitch. Wait a second. Okay. Let's... Oh my gosh. Okay, I think this is the one that I saw. I'll mute my TTS so it doesn't read that whole thing out. What is that?
N_sweep says LMAOO.
Did you ever think to yourself, just like, please stop playing the instrument? Stop. So that's what I need to...
N_sweep says I've heard smoke on the water and 7 Nation Army more times than I can possibly count.
So I guess those are the things. If I ever go to like a music store and like try out the instrument, I immediately have to just play both of those to maximally annoy the staff. Good to know.
N_sweep says yes.
Yes. Oh god. Kind of reminds me.
N_sweep says and either smells like Teen Spirit or Come As You Are.
Amazing. Oh, I was actually about to ask that. I'm like, what about, I think...
N_sweep
like
says if you're playing an acoustic, Wonderwall.
Beautiful. Would you want to cry if you were working at a shop and then one customer plays all of those?
N_sweep says House of the Rising Sun, but not in time.
I actually heard that song for the first time like a month or so ago. You got used to it.
N_sweep says I got used to it LUL.
I love how amicable you are. House of the Rising Sun.
N_sweep says everyone who learns guitar learns House of the Rising Sun LOL.
LOL.
N_sweep says we're gonna take the dog for a walk.
Okay, have a nice time. Aw, thank you. But yeah, have a nice walk. Think about spending time with your family. Family time is important. Did I leave off? Where did I leave off? Thank you. this by setting kids' bedroom scene. Dynamic elements like bouncing ball, tower blocks. No. You'll learn new skills in 3D navigation, object customization, and Unity's physics system. You also create prefabs, adjust lighting, and capture your scene with a camera. This foundational knowledge is vital to creating any type of Unity project. What's this? Cool. Add furniture to the kids' room. Open the bedroom scene and furnish it with various items to personalize the space. Did I? Okay. Measure essentials. Manage game objects with prefabs. There's lives for all of these? Oh wow. I'm not gonna watch them. Manage game objects with prefabs. Create a game object component with a script. Work with game object components. Apply essential features of the unit. Create and manage scenes. Navigate 3D space. 2D space. Identify default elements on your scene. Create game objects. Transfer game objects with component scripts. Control the appearance of game objects. Apply basic physics of game objects. Search camera step to use. Create camera for scenes. More skills with monster requirements. Wait, I think I did read all this actually. Yeah. Wait, what about this one? This seems maybe not this. Robert Smart Chief. Alright, I did. Okay. You'll explore Unity's capabilities by designing a kid's bedroom scene with dynamic elements like bouncing ball and tower blocks. I think, oh my god, I just read that too, didn't I?
In 3D Essentials, you'll dive into 3D creation in Unity. With Unity, you can create vast, fantastical 3D environments, precise hyper-realistic simulations, and anything in between. In these tutorials,
but depending on what you are making, you might need like a NASA computer for it.
Your goal is to design a kid's bedroom, complete with a bouncing ball that knocks over a tower of blocks. First, you'll add 3D objects to customize your scene, solidifying your 3D navigation and object positioning skills. Then, you'll create a bouncing ball. It'll start as a simple primitive gray sphere, but you'll learn how to create new materials and give it some color. Then you'll bring that ball to life in Unity's physics engine. You'll learn about prefabs when you create a tower of building blocks, which can be easily reused in your scene. Finally, you'll get the background and lighting just right, then use camera techniques to capture the perfect shot of the action. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation in 3D creation, which is critical for creating any project in Unity. Now, let's bring this room to life in Unity.
Okay. In this first tutorial for empty room furniture, designing it the way you want. Is there a submission in this one? There's not. Okay. What about this one? In the past, there was a submission for this. So there's no submissions in Unity Essentials anymore, which is actually for the best, I think. Wait, oh, damn it. I need to go. Mission 4. Yeah. I think that might be for the best, because... Oh, wait. Didn't mean to click on that. Because it was kind of a lot before, I don't know, For the very first pathway, I think like having to submit after each one was a lot. But this is just a tutorial. This one here. Why does this loop back to mission 2? Okay. Oh, because it's the one I'm on. Okay. To begin, just be waited at because room for scratch, start the scene, obtain the ground, the sky. Do you add everything else? In the project window, navigate to the essential scenes and double click kids room 3D scene to open it. You see a big empty white ground object in front of a blue sky. I don't think that's white. Oh. Okay. It's a big, because you didn't open the file yet. White ground object in front of a blue sky in the scene view. Don't worry if your view of the scene doesn't match the view in the example. Let's see. Scenes. Kids room. Oh yeah, that's what he meant. Big empty white ground object. This white block thing? Drag the bedroom prefab into the scene. Now we load the main structure of the bedroom using a prefab. Prefabs are prefabricated assets that you can reuse across your project. In this project, we provided you with a whole bunch of prefabs that are ready to use as you design this world, including a prefab of the actual room with the walls, floor, and windows. In the project window, go to Essentials Prefabs Rooms. Click and drag the bedroom prefab onto the center of the ground, the scene view. Oh, this is the white ground then. If you accidentally double-click bedroom, you'll see a close-up of the prefab in the scene view. Or just click on the small back arrow at the top of the hierarchy window to return to the main scene. I'm gonna double-click bedroom. Okay. In the scene view. Once the bedroom is in the scene, use your frame, orbit, zoom skills to get a good view of the empty room. Hold up to room in the bedroom, hold Alt and left click and drag with your mouse to orbit around the room. Zoom with the scroll wheel or trackpad to get to a good distance. What a nice bedroom. My lighting is really nice, actually. I would live in that bedroom. Position the bedroom at the origin. For consistency, use a design to position the bedroom at the exact origin or center of the scene using the transform component. Single object to transform component, which allows you to control the object position, rotation, scale. Oh my god. I thought I broke this. The origin of the scene is position 0, 0, 0 on the X, Y, and Z axes. Hierarchy window, select the bedroom game object. Go to inspector window, set the position value and transform component X equals 0. All of them 0. Remember to save your scene regularly. Control S. Not S. Add a bed to the bedroom. Next, shut a bed against the left wall of the room. The bed will be a central piece of furniture around which other items will be arranged. There are many bed prefabs to choose from. Oh my gosh. When they said many, they meant many. Why do they not give you any asset rewards anymore? I feel like they should give these to you. That'd be nice. Also, I'd really like to have this room thing. It looks nice. Follow the room, bed with such piece of furniture. There are many bed prefabs. Oh yeah. Want to browse the options using the preview window at the bottom of the inspector window before you drag one into your scene. There's a preview window. Navigate to Unity Essentials Prefabs bedroom. Select each of the beds to preview them at the bottom of the inspector window. Hopefully they show that in the video, so I don't have to open this project. Oh, I see it. Nice. Drag a bed prefab into your scene and use the move and rotate tools to position it with its back against the left wall. Okay, which wall is left? But don't double click the bed prefabs in the project window, just single click them to preview them. You can always undo any unwanted edits with Control Z, Command Z. Oh, that's the left wall. So beds and beds with messed up sheets. That's what they give you. Decorate with more furniture. Personalize your bedroom by adding some more furniture. Use your own design sense to arrange items like nightstands, dressers, and chests. Community Essentials Prefabs bedroom. Drag furniture items into your scene and move and rotate them to your liking. Ground. You replace objects and make sure they're actually located where you think they are at a minimum. Add a rug and one other piece of furniture, a rocking horse. Ask one that might also be fun since this is a kid's room after all. Leave one corner of the room empty so you have a place to put your block tower. Remember to save your scene regularly with Control S. Sometimes it's reminded you to save, but it's actually a good thing. If only moving furniture were that easy in real life. Proceed to the next tutorial. Congratulations on putting the first steps on this room. You've successfully seen and bedroom prefab, personalized space with furniture. After along the way. Transform from one position an object. Well, that's a ramp toward the corner of the room. What physics did they use? Use any? I feel like this is fair. I feel like they could have done more with showing Prefabs. Maybe they're gonna do it later. I don't know. Fine. I'll 4-star it. I don't know. I just feel kind of bland. I feel like being. Did they really teach anything new? Or maybe it's supposed to be like a warm up. Should I say, like, I feel like introduced. Like.